everyone, it's Jennifer, and I got tagged by Maureen at my crochet story to do some non-yarny questions about me. So, there's 16 of them, so I guess I'm going to go ahead and answer these. Doing it off the cuff, didn't look at them before, so we're going in to do them right now. So, sorry about the alarm, my husband will get it in a minute. The first question is, besides yarn, is there anything you collect? Why, yes, I collect frogs, snowmen, anything creepy cute, and mugs. So that would be what I collect. What is my most prized possession? I guess that would be my children. My most prized, besides that, my most prized possession is a quilt that my sister made me. I guess that would be my most prized possession. Number 3, name a book or movie that is important to you. Well, the most important book to me would be the Bible. And besides the Bible, it would be The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings by J.R.R. Tolkien. Alright, number 4, in how many languages can you say thank you? 1, English. Number 5, what is the most interesting place you have visited? I have visited quite a few interesting places. I guess, to me, the most interesting place would have, and generically, would be a library. That would be the most interesting place to me. Besides that, any of the mountains. Alright. Number 6, are you a morning bird or a night owl? I have normally been a night owl. Lately, I have been a morning bird because I am getting up in the mornings with my husband. As evidenced by now, I am recording this at 3 o'clock in the morning. Number 7, tell us about my animal family. My animal family consists of my Maine Coon, Pusheen. He is my lovable kitty cat. That would be my animal family. Number 8, what show or movie do you rewatch? I rewatch The Hobbit and The Lord of the Rings and the Alien movie series. Number 9, how do I recharge? I recharge by meditating and sleeping. Number 10, what is my favorite way to travel? Well, around town it would be by car, but I like to go by plane or by train. Number 11, do or did you have a nickname? Yes, as a child I was called Jenny. My husband calls me Jen, and so do my friends. I'm also known on YouTube as Froggy. So there's my nicknames. Number 12, are you an introvert or an extrovert? I am an extroverted introvert. That's the best way to put it. Extroverted because I do make videos on YouTube, but introverted because I am a homebody. Number 13, what was my first official job? Well, I guess officially I was a babysitter. My first legitimate job, I worked in the kitchen at a veteran's home. Number 14, if money was no object, how would I spend my day? Pretty much the same way I spend it now. Hanging out with my friends, virtually. I guess if money was no object, I would hang out with them in person. And I would be crocheting, knitting, or doing any of the kind of things I like to do. Number 15, if I became ruler of my own country, what would be the first law I would pass? The first law I would pass would be do unto others as you would have them do unto you. So treat people the way you want to be treated. That would be the first law I passed. And number 16, name something I am proud of. I am proud of my husband and my children. And that is what I am proud of, most of all. I'm proud of them, my family. They mean the most to me. They do. So that's what I'm proud of. And I have to text someone, so Sindy over at Lulu's Treasure Trove, I tag you. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was kind of fun for me to do. I don't normally do things like this. So. Anyway, and then stay safe and be kind to one another. And as always, happy yarning. Bye now.